that band, lift again. Without lifting elbows, hands moving forward, then up, but only that leg stretching that band. Breathing down, up, down, pull in. Shoulders away from ears. Lift, down again, again. One more, lift up. Next one, up holding. Now medium size circle, left, right, up, hold, left, down, right, up. So if you try to do a square, that will be nice big circle from hip socket. Back of pelvis completely flat on the floor. Left leg, foot pointed, without moving, rotating. All the way around, circle, last circle, holding reverse, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, pressing down lower back, remember, core engaging, up, up, last one, up holding, now right hand holding, both sides of the band. Left arm on the side. Right elbow again on the floor. Open, stretch that band down, down, down. Up, down, like parallel to the floor. Up, down, without too much pulling from hip socket. Down, down. Last one. Up the ceiling. Little releasing of course. Then left hand holding both sides of the band. Right arm on the side, twist from the pelvis lower back. Left elbow wide on the mat, on the floor, on the side. You can rotate head other side. Open arm, right arm to the right. You will more stretch your right side. Sciatica, piriformis, lower back, glute stretching. And come back to center. Now both hands holding both sides of the band. It's a little bit shorter, not too long this one. With breathe out. Foot, ankle, knee, hip same line. Pull in knee, hands towards your face, elbows still on the floor. Push up the ceiling. Bend in, pull in. Drop foot towards your bottom. Push up again. In. Up the ceiling. Breathe out, pull in again. Up to ceiling. Last one, in. Little lift, still bending that knee. Lift other leg. Put where is your right foot. Take off your right foot.